Hey everybody, it's Derek with MillRight. We've got the JTech 44-watt laser on the Mega V2 right now. I'm going to show you a little cut with it. So we're actually cutting 1/8" balsa. It does this a piece of cake, almost like it's not even there. A couple little tips for you here. Something I didn't know until I just asked JTech about. So what are these little things right here for? This is for actually shimming up your workpiece off of your sacrificial piece. So you're not just cooking the bottom layer of that plywood or whatever you're cutting. So I've got a piece of sacrificial aluminum just so I don't mess up the anodized coating on my T-plate bed. So I'll drop that back there. We'll go ahead and give this a shot. We'll get cutting, and then I'll kind of talk you through a few other things we did. All right, so we're cutting this at about 40 inches a minute. We cut it faster when we were cutting some of these. JTech actually recommends about 40 inches a minute for using 1/8" plywood. I think that's a pretty good speed. A couple other things that you're going to want to consider here. We've got this running near a roll-up door. It's behind the camera. You can't see it. If you're out in the middle of the shop with this, you are going to create a cloud. So you either need to be running near an open door, an open window. You need to be running some fume extraction. The air blast that we're running at about 45 psi, that's helping dissipate it some. So we finished there. That's helping dissipate it. And I've got to be careful. I think I may have cracked it there. But you see, it's just like the other ones we made. It's convenient how quickly you can take the laser on and off. So here we've got the DeWalt router, but you could have a spindle. You could have our 2.2 kilowatt ATC spindle. Anything that you can use as far as the cutting tool with our machines, you can mount one of these JTech lasers to. And the convenient thing is, if I don't want to laser cut anymore, I would turn off my laser box. I'm going to disconnect this little line here, so one electrical connection, and then I would disconnect my air blast hose. I would just turn that by hand and then pull out the hose, and then boom, I'm off. I set it to the side. I put a cutting tool in my router or in my spindle, and when I'm ready to cut again, I'm just going to drop this in here. There's a little teardrop on the back, so it just sets into this mount. I'm going to pull my glasses up so I can see, and boom, back in it, ready to laser cut. It's that quick. Check us out at MillRightCNC.com. Reach out to our sales, reach out to our support, join our Facebook groups. You'll learn more about this stuff.